Now, Baba, when was the first time you became aware that there were foreigners or Yimbo that were interested in Ifa?
Yeah, my master used to tell us that very soon it's going to change. Ifa Arumla is going to take over all the world. That is the time they used to sing. Says Ifa ń gbáyé lọ, ògbérí ó mọ́ o. Ifá ń gbáyé lọ, ògbérí ó mọ́ o. Àwo ń wọ́wọ́, ògbérí ń wàtẹ́. Àwo ń wọ́wọ́, ògbérí ń wàtẹ́. Ifá ń gbáyé lọ, ògbérí. Which the song means that Orunmila is now going out to take over to cover all the world.
Okay.
The innocent doesn't know why the Awo who is casting the kings is looking at his hand to know what to sign on the board, on the tree of Ifa. The client is just looking at the tree without knowing that what is going to be signed on the tree is from hand. That very soon Allah is going to take over
The word.
And what Odu is that or that song from?
the Odu is Erotensa.
Irete Osa. Okay. Okay. Okay, Baba. So basically, your Luo told you, your Baba, that Ifa, there was going to be big changes in the future.
Yes.
That Ifa was going to become a world religion.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how often have foreigners have come to your grove for Ifa? How many years have foreigners from the United States, from the diaspora, have been coming to Nigeria to come to your grove for Ifa? For how
You
long?
mean yeah?
Yeah, how many years? Have it been?
Going, well, 20 years now.
20 years. I see. Okay, Baba. Are there any last comments you wish to make, for the people in the United States? Are there any comments you would like to, any last closing comments, anything you wish to say to the people in the United States or in South America?
I wish to tell all of them that Ifa is no more in darkness. It's not something that hiding or you cannot. Ifa now, the people who are trying to learn should try as much as possible to learn it, because if there's any problem, once they go to Ifa, once they are able to get the right man who understands what is going on, what Ifa says, and the body is being performed, everything is going to be manifest. So I'm now using this opportunity to tell them that they should make sure they follow the rightful way.